already got this slow ass raptor in front of me. Like, get out of here. So guys, it feels good to be back in the Redeye, man. Look at that. Yeah, big Redeye, you feel me? Now it's time to take the streets over, obviously. And we're gonna get to it. It's your boy PlayboySRT, man. Today, I'm gonna give you guys some poos in the cat while I'm going to work today. Cause it's usually these long back roads and things like that and freeway action. So I'm gonna try to get you guys multiple angles. This angle, my other phone to get some of this, you know, if possible. But let's go to work, man. YouTube is getting popping, y'all. Oh my God. YouTube. Y'all, having these cars is so fun. I'm trying to tell you. Woo! I'm trying to tell you. Listen, so I had this slow car on my way, y'all. I couldn't get out what y'all want, but I can right now. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all don't understand, like, we got a school bus. We got a school bus, y'all. They're going to track, y'all. Now we're in track. See the straightaway? Let's go. Y'all, track. Listen, that's why I barely put it in track. Cause that 797 ain't no motherfucking joke. Oh my gosh, look at that, boy. I see the moves, man. Listen, I try not to talk so much because I know you guys want to see the video for sure. So I try not to do too much talking. Like, nothing too crazy for you guys. I gotta do eco mode now. I mean, I'm actually pulling up to my destination. So it was fun with you guys, though, honestly. And next video for sure, y'all. Listen, I got you guys more through the city. But this was country vibes, though, and the country vibes was pretty cool. But yeah, I love you guys. Peace out. Yeah, like that. And like that. My God, oh my goodness gracious, Lord heavens, Saint Mary, Saint Mary. Yeah, like that. You feel me? Real one. Yeah, listen, having a red eye. Bro, when you swimming through traffic, it's different, boy. It's different when you swimming through traffic, bro. Listen, y'all. When you on a cat, bro, it is fun every day. It is fun, bro. It never gets old. The only thing that gets old is getting gas. But, bro, you can track, sport it, drop a gear. You can take off. That's telling you. There's nothing better than that. Nothing better than dropping the gear and getting the fuck out of there. I'm telling y'all, ain't nothing better than when you dropping that gear, y'all. I'm trying to tell you right now. And now we got this slow ass Raptor in front of me. Like, get out of here. I'm trying to tell y'all, gang. Listen, you work hard, get your car, bro. But take care of your credit too. Because you're really not gonna get these unless you got good credit or you put a crazy down payment. Like crazy, like probably 25 or 20,000 and up. And that's if you got bad credit. But if you got semi good credit, you good though. Honest to God truth, you know? But y'all, just driving these in the city, bro, there's nothing better. I'm telling you. Kids looking, waving, the parents, like I'm telling you, other car people, y'all, how? My God, y'all, ain't nothing better. I'm trying to tell you.